Friends, let's talk about the languages of Bihar today. So, most of the times, people from other states assume that Bihari people speak Hindi only due to the thing that our official language in Hindi is Hindi, and sometimes due to Bhojpuri cinema influence, they think that Bhojpuri is a language that most of the Biharis speak. So, I'm going to bust that myth and talk about the languages of Bihar. So, if we talk about the important languages in Bihar, we can find that there are more than one languages that are spoken all over Bihar. So, these languages are Bhojpuri, Maithili, Maghi, and then Angika and Bajika. Angika and Bajika are called to be sister languages of Maithili cause due to their similarities to Maithili. These different languages are spoken in different parts of Bihar. These languages are not only specific to Bihar, these languages are also spoken in different states of India. And on a linguistic basics, if I talk about, let's talk about Maghi first. Maghi, or it's called as Magadhi or Magadhi Prakrit, as the name suggests, its origin lies in during the Magad period, and the sides of Bihar, it's spoken in Jharkhand and West Bengal too. The script that is used for Magadhi or Maghi is Kaithi. In Bihar, it is spoken in 8 districts, namely Gaya, Patna, Jahanabad, Aurangabad, Nalanda, Shekhpura, Nawada, Lakhisarai, and Arbal. If we talk about the 2011 census, there are currently 20.7 million speakers. So next, we are going to talk about Bhojpuri. So many people think that Bhojpuri is the only language in Bihar. So it's not the only language in Bihar, but certainly it has a large number of population, and a large number of population in Bihar speaks Bhojpuri. So it is spoken not only in India but also in the Tarai region of Nepal, and also in some countries like Fiji, Guyana, Mauritius, South Africa, Trinidad and Tobago, and Suriname. It's one of the most rapidly growing languages, and in India it is spoken mostly in Bihar and UP. The districts where Bhojpuri is spoken in Bihar are Buxar, Bhojpur, Rohtas, Kaimur, Saran, Siwan, and Gopalganj. So similar to Magadhi, the script here used is Kaithi. Sometimes Devanagari is also used, or currently Devanagari is used for Bhojpuri. So according to the 2011 census, there are currently 40 million speakers of Bhojpuri. So Bhojpuri can be sometimes is often considered as one of the several Hindi dialects, and it is known to be originated from Magadhi or Maghi. So next we are going to talk about Maithili. So Maithili is spoken in India and Nepal, eastern Tarai regions of Nepal. In India it is spoken mainly in Bihar and Jharkhand. The script used for Maithili was originally Tirhuta. Less commonly, it is also written in Kaithi, and today we use Devanagari for writing Maithili. So its name is derived from the ancient kingdom of Mithila, from where Sita was from. So Maithili has a different calendar for it, which is known as Tirhut Panchang. So according to the census of 2011, the current speakers of Maithili is 33.9 million. In Bihar, it's spoken in Darbhanga, Saharsa, Madhubani, Samastipur, Sitamarhi, Begusarai, Khagadiya, Kishanganj, Sihar, Bhagalpur, Madhepura, Araria, and Supaul. So many people consider Maithili also as a dialect of Hindi, but it also stands out as a different language, and it is one of the scheduled languages in India. So in the next video, we are going to talk about Angika and Bajika and how they are related to Maithili. And also in the next video, I will be talking about the history and origin of these languages. So bye.